the reality for many people around the world is they don't have access to clean drinking water. They don't have access to sanitation. And so again, when you're making these commitments, how are you ensuring that fair, equitable communities are at the heart of every single decision? And for companies, this means not just stopping the responsibility when your product gets on the shelf, or not just thinking about responsibility for when that product is in your factory, but every part of the supply chain, every person who touches that product or that service in some way. And with that is an invitation for us to shift the goalposts of business as well, from the end goal being to create products through a product or service, to how can that product or service actually be a vehicle for solving a larger societal problem. And when it comes to politics, we need to rethink the engine that puts people into seats of power. Short-term politics and short-term gains are not going to solve an immediate yet existential threat. So I invite everyone to rethink the system as it currently stands and critically think about what it looks like for you to take responsibility, not just of your immediate circle, but responsibility from a place of privilege and from a place of opportunity to step up and do the right thing.